When you guys pay off your Kickoff account, it automatically closes. So once you pay that $10 per month for the 12 months, it's going to automatically close. Whether or not you should get another account after you pay it off will depend on where your credit score is at. If your credit score is still not where you want it to be and you technically don't have any more installment accounts, then I do suggest you go ahead and apply again for their $10 a month installment account. If you guys get your credit score where you want it to be, then you don't necessarily need to apply for it again. So that decision is going to be up to you. But if you want to just continue to have another installment account reporting, then it would be a great option if you guys were to apply for that again. Let's go ahead and actually look at that account too. So here is the Kickoff. So here is that credit builder. So this was, let me see. Okay, this was the first Kickoff loan that they started. Here's that credit builder loan right here. So mine is paid off. I paid the $10 per month all the way from 2022 to 2023. I paid $10 per month. I withdrew my funds because as soon as you pay it off, your funds is going to sit there. That 120 is going to sit there. They're going to automatically close that account. So I got a notification from Credit Karma saying, hey, your account, you have a new closed account on your credit reports. And I'm like, what? Stop playing with me. But then I realized it was just this account. So this $120 is just going to automatically sit there. So it's best if you guys were to go ahead and just get that money and withdraw it. And if you want to start it back up again, you can, because they automatically send you an email congratulating you on paying it off, and they're asking you, would you like to sign up for it again? It is totally up to you guys on whether or not you want to sign back up for it again. Right now, the only account that I have right now is their credit account right here. So they say I'm early. I already have auto pay, so I'm not going to try to pay anything on it anyway. My utilization is at that 1%. I'm paying $2 per month, which is what I want, like the lowest amount you could pay per month, and they're just reporting to the credit bureaus. So this is the account right here. It's already set up for auto pay. This is the only account that I'm going to keep right now. I'm not going to reopen the account because I really don't need them to boost my credit score. I think that me opening that account again is going to probably drop my credit score, and I don't have time for that, you guys. But that's only because I already have a certain amount of accounts that I really don't need another account. So I think just because of that, it's going to drop my credit score. So I'm not going to re-sign up for that account. But if your credit score is not where you need it to be, then go ahead and just